Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we are making a liver and some French beans. So here are the ingredients. First you boil them and then you fry them. First you fry the carrots and then you add some spices like ginger and garlic. Then you add the French beans. You cook them slightly and then you add coriander for like 2 minutes and then they are done. Now we fry the liver. First you had soaked it in milk for like 30 minutes and now we are frying it. First you add the ginger or galangal, the garlic, the capsicum, the tomatoes. You fry them first. Yes, when they are cooked, you add the liver. If you like, you can add the green pepper, the hot chili, then you fry the liver. Because it's soft, you only fry for like 5 or to 10 minutes. When it's cooked, you add some coriander, you stir, then it's done. So there you have it, guys. Like for more, subscribe, and thank you for watching.